Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting product to talk about. The Ukia Protective Swing Cover compatible with the new 4Moms Rockaroo Model 2022 or Mamaroo 5. This is undoubtedly the best Mamaroo cover available in the market, and we'll tell you why in just a moment. But before we dive into the details, let's take a look at what makes this Ukia Protective Swing Cover stand out from the rest. First and foremost, this cover offers an excellent fit. It's tailored precisely for the 4Moms Mamaroo 5 multi-motion baby swing, providing protection against scratches and stains, while also giving your swing a fresh and brand new look, even after extended use. Installing this cover is a breeze. It takes less than 5 minutes to put on, aligning perfectly with your swing. Plus, it can be easily removed for cleaning or storage. It's the hassle-free solution every parent needs to keep their baby's swing clean and hygienic. And when it comes to cleanliness, the Ukia Protective Swing Cover doesn't disappoint. It can be wiped down with a damp cloth for quick cleaning, or if necessary, it's machine washable at 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Just remember to dry it flat, and it's good to go, keeping your baby's swing clean and comfortable. Here's something special about this cover. It's handmade in Europe with exceptional craftsmanship and high-quality materials. You can trust that it's built to last and meets the highest standards. And let's talk style. The Ukia Protective Swing Cover comes in a variety of patterns and colors, allowing you to express your personal style while keeping your baby cozy. It's not just practical, it's also a stylish addition to your baby swings. Before you purchase, please note that this product is designed for use in the US. If you're using it internationally, you might need an adapter or converter. Always check compatibility before buying. Now, let's talk about pricing. The Ukia Protective Swing Cover is priced at $79.95. And here's the good news. You can save 5% when you buy 2 of these covers or save 10% when you buy 3. That's a fantastic deal for such a high-quality product. If you're interested in other baby-related products, you might also want to check out the Ukia Swing Insert, designed to enhance your baby's swing experience. And there are more options available for older models too. Before we wrap up, let's talk about the brand behind this fantastic product, Ukia. Their mission is to simplify the lives of new parents, promote happy families, and support those in need through charitable donations. Ukia, meaning little one, in Dutch, reflects their commitment to families now and in the future. So, to sum it all up, the Ukia Protective Swing Cover is the best choice for keeping your 4Moms Rockaroo or Mamaroo swing clean, stylish, and protected. It's easy to install, easy to clean, and made with love in Europe. Don't miss out on the opportunity to upgrade your baby's gear with this fantastic product. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Product Critique, for more insightful reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with this product, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.